This Mercedes A-Class behind me has an intermittent starting problem. It starts when it's cold. When it warms up, it won't start. You keep trying. After a few minutes, eventually starts. And it's been doing it for a while. Now, the customer took it to his local garage, who managed to sell him a brand new key. It cost a lot of money. And guess what? The problem is still there. The problem was not the key. Now it's my turn to have a go and see what's wrong with it. I'm going to show you how to diagnose a non-start or an intermittent start problem. Let's have a go. This is what it does. Did you hear the click? Just a clicking sound. It will do this for quite a few minutes and eventually it will start. Now the funny thing is, this garage told the mechanic that the problem is not the starter. And because I've done so many of these, I know the problem is starter. But how do we confirm that? This is what I'm going to show you. Let's reach to the battery. Do you know something? That the 2p coin was made for this car and not the other way around? There you go. Is it? What you need to do is there's a plug here with these 3 wires. And the wire with the purple trace, you can see this purple wire. This purple wire goes straight to the starter solenoid. So if I power this up, the starter should crank. And the other 2 is one of these 2 big positive wires goes to the starter as well, and the earth obviously goes from the chassis to the car. Only these 3 wires, which means if I use a tester like this and see if there's power to this purple wire, right, let's see what's going to happen if I try to start it. Now, every time I try to start the car, the light comes on like this, which means there is power going to the starter and the starter is not working. In this case, replace the starter. Don't think twice. The problem is not the key, it's not the ignition, it's not the battery because I started it earlier. It's not anything else, it is the starter. Just replace the starter. This is how you check if it is the starter or not. There's another test which is very simple. If you put another wire here to the purple wire and touch it to the positive of the battery, it should crank. If it doesn't crank, it means the starter is faulty. As simple as that. I'll be doing some other work on this car. I'll show you one other thing that I'll do on my next video. The heater works on number 5 only. Now the ignition is on. 1, nothing. Nothing. Works on 5 only. On my next video I'll show you how to fix that.